Good morning. So this morning I just woke up. It's Monday actually, but we are doing something cool today. I'm gonna show you. So we rented this machine here. It's a big forklift looking thing. Pretty cool. So we're gonna use this, and then pretty soon something cool arriving. So we're gonna unload that and we're gonna show you what we got today. Oh boy, huge. Let's go. Oh, just like that, we unloaded everything out of the truck. We are going to move the stuff we just unloaded to the garage side. You know, we gotta basically do the double walk, but I gotta let this truck guy gotta go. So we're gonna move that to the truck, the garage side now, and hopefully one of the weekend we put this up. Is my plan. Right, everything is secured and in on top of the concrete. So one of the weekend we pick when it's warm and then we put this up. So these are the side doors and all the beams. Last night kind of like snowed-ish thing. So and then we got some roof here, some more panel there, stuff like that. It's pretty big. It's 50 by 40, so I can't wait to, you know, put this shop up and pick some cars. So yeah, very excited on that. I put way too much on the first one, but I'm gonna try to do better this year. Oh my god, it's so hot now. So finally we are ready to put the building up, and we're gonna put this frame up. So wish me luck on that. So that's what we're doing now. All right, first post went up pretty high. That's great. Now we're gonna do that one next, but I'm gonna go get the bolts all that over here and sort it out because you got too many bolts and we don't even know what's going on. So that's what we're gonna do now. These are the bolts. We got way too many, so yeah, we're gonna put it over there now. Okay, all the bolts pretty much moved here now. Two more beam went up, and this piece goes up now. And then yeah, finally we're seeing some kind of progress. So we're gonna keep working on it, and then we'll come back in a little bit. Oh boy, that's the heavy one right there. Woo! Into the hole. Holy shit!
Can we put the roof on first and then you do it?
Someone got him up over there.
I'll get closer than you always do.
Alright, end of the day. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts up, and then put the first frame or whatever you call it all the way around. We're gonna do it tomorrow. We're gonna do the top, and then we're gonna put more studs here and there, and then we're gonna put the rest of it up. So finally getting somewhere. Oh my god. Alright, just got home, and we're gonna get to the building a shop again. Alright, here's the update. We do have this for scaffold thingy, so we set it up so that way we can be up there, you know. We put the second one over there, so it's less flexy on the top side. Pretty nice. Just to give you an update, that's the size. That's like a hand truck, and the size of my building pretty tall, so it's pretty exciting. So yeah, we're gonna get to that. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so what we do is we're gonna finish doing that hole over there. We got one more over there, and then we're gonna have one more over there, but you know, almost done. Like you guys saw, most of the posts is up, so I just gotta do 3 more spot, and we're gonna finish putting those up. And so yeah, hopefully we're gonna do that right now. Alright, now I'm gonna clean the hole and then put the epoxy and put the studs on. So that's what we're doing that, and we're gonna do 2 more, so that's why we're gonna be doing that right now. Updates. We got all that thing all the way around, and we're gonna put the front now. Starting to put extra bracket for the support, and then yeah, hopefully soon I'll have a wall. Professional as fuck. Perfect. Getting that thing right next to that hole. Pretty sketchy, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Check this out. Made it. The U piece is finally in. We got a bolt, one more bolt, and then we're good to go. 9 o'clock. We are still here working. So we finally got these pieces, the major one in. Earlier we got bolted last pole up. So we have all the pole is up now. We are got that bolted up, and then one on the top, and then same thing, one on the top and one on the bottom. We're gonna drill that tomorrow. I'm gonna put the studs on and that epoxy, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And then again we got the bolted on that, and then we got that done. So soon we can have a wall. We got everything pretty much on, so that tractor is really nice to have. New updates, another date. We got the front up pretty much. So that's where the door goes pretty much. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Making the bracket. We're gonna eat lunch quick, but almost the framing part is pretty much done. So soon we're gonna get the bigger machine, then we do the roof, and then we're gonna do the wall soon. So I would say 20% is finally done, you know, pretty hype. Alright, today is done again. Look at, I got all the front up. So that little square is where the doors basically come up, which I don't have the door yet, but that's for another time. So we buy the door at some point on that spot, but everything else is done. We put more steps that we can get up there and walk. Pretty soon we're gonna be doing the roof. We put that last piece on the top over there. We're gonna do the other side obviously in the top, but mainly we got this frame on today. And yeah, we're almost ready for the roof. This is like day, I don't know, 20? Nah, day 10 maybe. But we're getting there, so hopefully soon we have a roof.